power 220 volt AC, go to the fuse, come out. This is the output, bare or rotary light. This two is the same. And this is auto telephone signal input from the telephone line. I have made two extensions, common come here and one go to the signal circuit, one go to the telephone. Okay, so this one we can use 220 or 24 volt, anything output will come out from this telephone output or rotary output. So this is usually bare output here. I'm gonna do bare output. Once the phone ringing time, it will detect the AC signal and then give the contact close from here. This is for manual use by this input signal. So this relay 220 volt, so you can use 220 volt input signal to activate manually this relay. Okay, now I'm going to call it this telephone from here. So call it. So now it's calling. When he's ring, the pair output will activate. So this is like this. Okay. The relay song also comes from here. Okay. Output go out. So if I switch it off, switch off here. So only relay, the light will not light up. Switch on back. Okay, that's it. So I'm off. Finish. Connection is like this.